Pelican Air 1595 Reel Review. I finally stopped babying my gear. Last month, I watched a baggage handler yeet my old case down the stairs like it owed him money. I actually held my breath until I opened it and saw a cracked lens. That's literally me every trip. Type same if Sunday nights are you triple wrapping gear in towels. What's the worst thing that's happened to your kit in transit? That stomach drop feeling when the case hits the tarmac is exhausting. Heart in your throat, praying nothing shifts inside. I was so tired of trading $1,000 gear like it was made of glass. Stay with me for 30 more seconds. There's a case that actually lets you stop caring in the best way. Then, the Pelican Air 1595 with TrekPak showed up, 40% lighter than the old tanks, still completely crushproof, watertight, dustproof. The first trip I took it, I fit 2 bodies, 70 to 200, 24 to 70, 3 primes, flash triggers, and 6 batteries. Everything locked in place like a surgeon's tray. True story, I had a commercial shoot in Iceland, flight got delayed 14 hours, bags sat on the freezing tarmac overnight. That night at 2 a.m., I opened the case, expecting disaster. Not a single thing had moved. The TrekPak walls are so rigid, the gear literally can't shift. Pressure valve did its job, latches popped open easy, everything bone dry. I just stood there laughing like an idiot because for the first time in years, I wasn't stressed. Suddenly, everything clicked. My gear was finally safer than my anxiety. Jason Vong called it the Goldilocks case we've all been waiting for. Cinema guys are saying the extra depth finally lets cinema cameras stand upright without mods. One analyst straight up said Pelican cracked the code on weight versus protection. No one else is even close. My favorite comment comes from travel photographer at Sarah Jones Photo. She said, I customized the TrekPak in 15 minutes with a little cutter, and it's been perfect for 3 different kits since. Nothing shifts, even on African dirt roads. Personally, I drag this thing over cobblestones, up Jeep trails, and through airports like I'm trying to break it. Still looks brand new. Biggest objection I hear is always, yeah, but it's expensive. Bro, I killed a $1,200 lens in a cheap case. This paid for itself the first time baggage handlers played bowling. Thousands of us won't shut up about it right now because we finally trust our cases again. Quick, tell me in the comments, are you still rolling the dice with soft bags or cheap hard cases? Imagine checking your gear and actually feeling calm. No more bubble wrap prayers, no more arriving early to gate check. Just wheel it up, hand it over, and know everything inside is safer than it would be in your own house. Join the thousands of photographers, filmmakers, and techs already living this reality. I dropped my affiliate link to the exact Pelican Air 1595 with TrekPak in the description and pinned comment. Just click, check it out, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you on the tarmac.